The sun rises, flowers bloom, and the world slowly awakens. In these precious hours, nature holds a silent invitation to heal. Today, let's explore the profound benefits, both psychological and physical, of spending early morning hours in nature. Physiological benefits: it reduces stress and anxiety, lowers cortisol levels, boosts mood and emotional well being. Flowers, in particular, have been shown to elevate positive emotions. It enhances focal and mental clarity. Nature exposure improves cognitive function and attention span. It also works as natural antidepressant. Morning light and greenery can help reduce symptoms of depression, especially seasonal affective disorder. Mindfulness and present moment awareness. Simply observing a flower or feeling the grass promotes mindful grounding.